smell evil.
Well, no duh.
Kaz, I'm going to defeat you with my saber.
That's just a toy, you idiot.
We'll see about that.
You actually think you could beat me when I have the power, Game Master?
Yes, I do when I have the Game Master's power as well.
Wii Master! Wii Master! Wii Master! Beat you right now! It's not over. The second I win the tournament will be the second the world dies. Soon we will have our ultimate final battle. Will not defeat me.
Why? Why do they always say soon? Why not now?
Wow, that was a weird dream. Huh. I wonder what's going on in Saga today. I hope that Mage Knight posted a new telehenry chapter. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Huh? What? They shut down Insider?